Hello. Good evening. This is Anka from Talk Heater. Nice to meet you again.
Welcome to our broadcast room. This is Nancy.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We introduced all kinds of tubes which can be used in the home appliance in the last days. Today we are going to introduce which can be make a tube. Today we are going to introduce a machine which can be make a tube. It's necessary. Machine is a necessary part for to make a tube.
Yes.
Today we are going to introduce one of the machines that the name is argon arc pipe welding equipment.
Yes. About the argon arc pipe welding equipment, it is a machine to weld the thin metal part to an empty tube. You know. So if you are manufacturer who supply the empty tube to the heating elements manufacturer, maybe you are interested in our such machine. Yes, the samples on my hands now is the finished product by our argon arc welding equipment. Yes, it's very beautiful. There's no any welding and scratch and dirty points on our and burr on our empty tube. Yes, so let's have a detailed look about our machine first. Now from the screen you can see this is our argon arc pipe welding equipment. Yes, actually about our pipe welding equipment, it consists of 5 parts, including the argon arc welding pipe unit, the sharpener, and the welding visual checking system, and the welder water cooling system, and the final part is the active current flow detector. Yes, let's show more pictures. Yes, this is the welding zinc checking system, and this is the active current test system. Yes, we can use this, and this is the sharpener. Okay, let me introduce you more parts about our 5 parts, about our 5 equipments. Yes, so first of all, it's the argon arc welding pipe unit, and this unit is special for welding the electrical heating pipe. The range of electric heating pipe we can weld according to your requirements. And some customer will require pipe range from 5 millimeter to 20 millimeter. Some will require from 5 diameter millimeter to 18 millimeter. Yes. Under the argon arc welding pipe unit, and there are below accessories we are matching as follows. The first is it will be equipped with double-headed rotating discharge tray. And secondly, we will match the main machine. It is formed according to 8 flat and 7 vertical, and welding sizing section according to 4 flat and 5 vertical. Yes. And the third accessory that we will randomly equip with Panasonic 400 welding machine. Yes. And the fourth accessory is it will be equipped with new seal water pour welding box. And the 5th accessory is we will match to cutting machine. This cutting machine with PLC control and lens digital setting and the blanking frame. Yes. And also our argon arc welding equipment will be equipped with randomly with a set of modes. The secondly is the second part is about sharpener. Actually, you had see the pictures from our live stream before. Regarding the sharpener, we specially equipped with a rotary pipe cutting machine. Yes. And thirdly, is about our welding visual checking system. Amy, please, can you show more pictures? Yes, this is the welding checking system. You can see from the screen. Regarding this equipment, it consists of the control box, which including switching, power supply, display, and motherboard, and the gun machine. About this gun machine, it will be with a camera inside and the welding gun left and right adjustment mechanism.
And the next part, the fourth part, is the welder water cooling system. We use automatic water cooling circulation device or arc welding machine, which comes with stainless steel water pump and air cooling device. And the fifth part is eddy current flow detector. Yes, as you can see on the screen. Regarding this detector, we use domestic brands. It has automatic detection and automatic sorting function after detecting bad spots.
Yes, and next, let's show you a short video of our pipe, argon arc pipe welding equipment, how it works. First of all, you can see that it will be transferred the resistance tape into the argon arc welding unit. Then, this step is the rolling the empty tube. Yes, it will roll the resistance tape to a round shape. Yes. This is the screen, so the status of the empty pipe, and this is the eddy current. And here show you the function button. Now this step, as we had finished shrinking the tube. And this step is the straightening. We need to, after finish the empty pipe, we need to straightening the pipe and then send it to the cooling system. You see there's water there. It's the welder water coolant system. Here is the eddy flow detector. We can use it to test the welding, whether the welding of the empty pipe is within the tolerance. And then we need to cut the empty pipe according to the customer required length. Yes, you can see it's cutting action. And after finish cutting, we will take the empty tube out, and then the final part will be going to flat ring. We will make the empty tube flat ring at the two ends of the empty tube. Now it's not a flat ring, it is still cutting. Yes, the process you are seeing from the video now is the flat ring. So you can see that the speed is very uniform, and and one time we can flat ring more numbers of tubes. About the welding speed, normally we can make is from 3 meters to 10 minutes to 10 meters at 1 minute. And the material specification that our machine can be welded is stainless steel. For example, the stainless steel 304L, stainless steel 316L, and the incloy 800 stainless steel, and so on. Also, the welded pipe specification, we can make is from a 6 millimeter to the 20 millimeter, and the tube thickness is from 0.3 to 1 millimeter. So, yes, from this video, it is our finished devices, equipment. Sorry, it is our argon arc pipe. Sorry, it is our argon arc pipe welding equipment. Yes, the situation now, it is a finished machine. It's very new type of the machine. Yes, and see, it's a very large size of equipment. If you are a heating elements manufacturer, also you have a big production quantity for the heating elements, maybe you can consider to buy such equipment as well, because it will be helpful for you to improve the production efficiency if you make the empty tube by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the finished product. And now the auto well sync detector system for you. Yeah, it is an auto welding sync checker. Yes, so come back again. So let my colleague Lancy to give you more details about our after-sales service of our machine equipment.
Yeah, thank you, Anka. Not only we manufacture equipment, but also we can also make the supply spare parts for you. If you buy our equipment, we have a specialist to follow up your business. If you have any doubts or meet any question during operating this equipment, you can contact us. And we can also send our specialist to your company to teach how to operate this equipment. Or maybe you can also send your engineers to our factory to learn how to operate this equipment.
Yes, just welcome your any inquiry, and welcome to our factory to have a look and learn how to use our machine. It's no problem. Also, now is the epidemic situation time. Normally, if you met any problem when using our equipment, you can send a video via email, via WeChat, via WhatsApp to us, and we will reply you as soon as possible. So we must provide you the best after-sales service. So customer will also would like to know, how can I get a price of the argon arc welding pipe equipment from you. Normally, we will require customer to provide the outer tube diameter, and the tube wall thickness, and also the tube material, and also tell us whether the heating element, the finished heating elements, is anneal or without annealing. Yes, and then we will check price to you as soon as possible. So, because the argon arc welding machine is a big device, normally one equipment, it will take 60 working days to finish production such machine. Yes, and about the package, we will use the wooden package to pack the equipment, and sure, the wooden case, it will be fumigated. Yes, and because our machines is very popular use in our market, now we had to sell our equipment and the machines to many countries, such as India, Iran, Poland, Russia, and Italy, and Indonesia, and more countries.
Yes.
If you have any inquiry and any doubts now, please just send your message to our assistant, and they are always stand by and reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, it's all for our introduction for now. And if you have any question or doubts, please left your message and we will contact you later.
Yes, and the above was the brief introduction of our argon arc pipe welding equipment. And thank you for your watching today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.